from home, streaming in 4K, or trying to secure that victory royale. While Wi-Fi is super convenient, it's not always the most stable. It sends data through the air, which means it can be affected by walls, other devices, or even your neighbor's network. But there's a simple, powerful solution: a good old-fashioned Ethernet cable. A wired connection is like a private superhighway for your data, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and rock-solid reliability. But not all Ethernet cables are created equal. You've probably seen terms like Cat5 East, Cat6, or even Cat7. What do they all mean? Let's break it down. Cat is just short for category, and the number tells you its performance level. First up, we have Cat5e. This is the old reliable. It supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, which is still perfectly fine for many basic home networks. If you're on a budget and just need a simple, functional connection, a Cat5 East cable, like the one from MediaBridge, is a solid, affordable choice. It's backward compatible and gets the job done for everyday browsing and streaming. Next, we step up to Cat6. This is the sweet spot for most modern homes. It can handle speeds up to 10 gigabits per second over shorter distances and is perfect for gaming, 4K streaming, and heavy-duty home office use. A great example is the MediaBridge Cat6 cable. It's a favorite among home users because it's durable, offers fantastic performance, and doesn't break the bank. It has high-quality copper conductors and a strong PVC jacket, making it a dependable workhorse for your network. Now, what if your router is on the other side of the house?